Hi guys, this is Pooja Gupta. Welcome to Media Mentor. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fill in your Mumbai University pre-registration form. So make sure guys that you watch the video till then. उसके बाद question पूछना, because what happens is without watching the video, you will start ये नहीं भरने हो रहा है, ये नहीं भरने हो रहा है. So make sure that you watch the video till the end कि कौन से questions compulsory है, क्या क्या आपको भरना है. And students those who have not got their results, especially CBSE, प्लीज वेट बिकॉज आप भर ही नहीं सकते क्योंकि आपको 12th के मार्क्स मैंडेटरी है, इसलिए यू विल हैव टू वेट. एंड स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव गॉट योर रिजल्ट्स, HSC बोर्ड, यूपी बोर्ड, राजस्थान बोर्ड, ये सब जिनके भी रिजल्ट्स आ चुके हैं, यू कैन स्टार्ट फिलिंग अप द फॉर्म. नाउ देयर आर फ्यू इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दैट स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस. आई वुड लाइक टू हाईलाइट एंड टेल यू कि प्लीज कीप योर डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैंडी, क्योंकि आप थोड़ा सा भी मिस्टेक करोगे लेटर ऑन अगेन बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, री रजिस्ट्रेशन एंड ऑल दैट प्रोसेस, एंड आई एम श्योर you don't want to get into it. So when you start with filling up the form, make sure that mobile number, ईमेल आईडी, ये सब चीज़ आप लिख के रखो. देन वंस यू क्रिएट योर लॉगिन, यू गेट अ नंबर D22 करके, जो नेक्स्ट टाइम आपको लॉगिन के लिए मैंडेटरी होता है. इफ़ यू फॉरगेट दैट, यू आर डन. सो मेक श्योर कि बॉस वो नंबर जो है वो लिख लो, मोबाइल नंबर, ईमेल आईडी एंड योर लॉगिन आईडी जो बाद में क्रिएट होगा OTP आने के बाद. नाउ व्हेन यू स्टार्ट फिलिंग अप द फॉर्म, डोंट मेक मिस्टेक विद योर नेम. आपका जो स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है वो मत करो. सेकेंडली, आपको रीजनल लैंग्वेज में लिखने बोलेगा. आपका जो नाम है उसके लिए गूगल ट्रांसलेट यूज करो, ऑनलाइन ही हो जाएगा. जस्ट कॉपी पेस्ट फ्रॉम दैट. नाउ कमिंग टू व्हाइल फिलिंग अप द फॉर्म, यू वुड हैव सीन दैट रेड कलर मार्क, हैशट्रिक जो होगा, जहां पे वो रेड मार्क है, वो जो कॉलम है आपको फिल करना मैंडेटरी है. विदाउट दैट आपका फॉर्म कंप्लीट नहीं होगा. बट उसके अलावा अगर रेड मार्क नहीं है, आपने स्किप कर दिया तो चल जाएगा. तो सिर्फ ये ध्यान में रखो, जहाँ पे भी रेड मार्क आ रहा है वो अगर आप ब्लैंक छोड़ोगे, वो कॉलम, वो बॉक्स, तो आपका फॉर्म प्रोसेस आगे नहीं होगा. नाउ व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट 12th स्टैंडर्ड का मार्कशीट मैंडेटरी नहीं है. 12th स्टैंडर्ड का मार्क्स चाहिए और दूसरा चीज़ आपका जो सीट नंबर है वो चाहिए. ये दोनों चीज़ अगर आपके पास है तो मार्कशीट की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. These were the few important things before you start your registration form. And yes, you do have 1 month का time, so do not panic. आराम से करो सारी चीज़ें, पहले एक साथ कर लो, उसके बाद start filling up the form, आधार कार्ड, everything, every document. Now guys, let's start with the step by step procedure.
You need to log into mu.ac.in and click on the website for Mumbai University. Then click on Students and Admissions. It should be written 22-23, but MU has not yet updated their links, so it is still saying 21-22. You have to click on this particular link and then click on 22-23 registration. You will get this page. Click on register and fill the basic details. Please remember to check your details before you click forward. Note down this username and write down the OTP that you get from your mobile number, and then create new password and then set password. Now you can log in using that D22 username and enter the new password that you set. Now this is your profile page. Click on the first orange box and fill in your personal details. That is basic, and make sure to check every single form before you click proceed. Here you just need to fill in your SSC and HSC standard details, your marks and percentage, and the college and school names. Then enter the other guardian, annual income details, etc. Then upload your photograph and signature. The details of the dimensions are given to the bottom right. Make sure to check that and then only upload it. Here you can see after doing the photograph, we click on signature and then upload the signature part as well. You have to crop it according to the size mentioned. Make sure you're not cutting out any details, important details from the signature. Once both are cropped, click on upload and proceed. Then you can add more contact details or additional contact details. You can see all the boxes are ticked. Click on confirm and then check all the details. The X marks, just keep clicking on them and check all your details and only then proceed. Understand that you cannot change these details later, so please check all the spellings properly. Next, you'll be taken to the list of courses available under Mumbai University. Select the course of your choice. Here we are taking BA in Multimedia and Mass Communication. Please check whether you're deciding to choose for autonomous colleges or regular colleges. It is mentioned in brackets. Click on the HSC tab since that is the last exam that you have given, and then you can click on the other in-house or minority details. Please check those only if it's applicable to you. Now you can get a list of all the colleges and you can select the preferred college accordingly. The courses and papers offered are mentioned there. Click on English or Marathi according to your preference and then go ahead with proceeding with the next part of the semester, that is Sem 2. Click on Add Next Term Course and then click on Proceed. You can check here that first year subjects don't have electives, so it's already checked for you. You don't have to click any particular subject. Here you can choose to show which documents you have. So I have selected 10th standard mark sheet and passing certificate. You can choose any documents of your choice. Here you can see that we are registered for BA in Multimedia and Mass Communication. Click on the print option and save this whole form as a PDF. This particular form is needed when you apply for your admission in your college. Just a suggestion, please take out all the printouts of these forms and save the PDFs also on your email so you don't misplace it when you need it. It is also quite useful to rename your files according to the form of the college. And that's it. You have now registered yourself for BA in Multimedia and Mass Communication in one college. Similarly, you can redo the whole thing on clicking on dashboard. You'll be redirected to the same page of apply online, and then you can continue to fill for all the other colleges that you want. For every single college, like for example, we did Xaviers first. Similarly, for all the other colleges, you will have to individually fill up the form according to the whole process. The same process will be repeated from scratch. Now you don't have to re-register yourself. All you have to do is go on the dashboard and then click on the course and the college of your choice and then continue the same process. The selection of documents in this list does not really affect anything of your form. Just click on the basic forms like your 10th standard mark sheet and passing certificate will also do, so do not stress about these documents. Here I've also shown how you can click on the minority section and go for example Jain and minority of Gujarati, and you can carry on your procedure accordingly. If you're Sindhi or any other minority that you belong to, you can choose it accordingly. To the left you can see the print e-Suvidha ticket tab. Now this ticket is not really essential for your admission process, but just keep it handy. Just take a printout and keep it with you. Please note that colleges like KC and HR will not be on the MU website at all because they belong to HSNC University, completely different. So you will not find it here, so don't panic.
I hope guys that you understood कि step by step कैसे apply करना है. Again, I am requesting, please don't forget your password. कहीं पे लिख लो. Make a notebook जब तक ये admission process चल रहा है. Because when you go on college का website पे register करने को वहाँ पे भी login password लगेगा. So please वो लिख के रख लो. एक separate notebook बना लो जहाँ पे वो आप note down कर सको. Don't rely on your mobile because at times ये खत्म हो गया, वो खत्म हो गया, file delete हो गया. Don't do that. वहाँ पे भी कर लो चाहिए तो, but please write it down somewhere. And one more thing guys, there's an e-Suvidha ticket जो आपको मिलता है वेबसाइट पे. उसका कुछ यूज़ है कि नहीं है, God only knows. वैसे कहीं पे यूज़ नहीं होता है, but still take a print out and keep it with you. I hope guys video was informative. फिर भी कोई question है तो live में आ जाना. We'll sort out your question. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.